Hey EHS, I'm going to be taking you through homecoming week and what you need to know. So first of all, here's a video showing you how to buy your homecoming dance tickets, and on the right are all the steps to do it. Hey EHS, I'm going to be taking you through the steps of registering your account to buy homecoming tickets. So you're going to come to this link, which will be sent out on Schoology. Click here to register an account. Put in your school email address. Make a password. And then you're going to register. Finish filling out all of these required things. Once you're done doing that, hit add a person. No, I do not have a key. Then you're going to do the district. Put in your student ID and your birthday. Once you get to sports, you're going to hit go. Register for the person that you are. Scroll all the way down to homecoming dance tickets. Hit register. Then you're going to start the process of buying them. Review data. And then you're going to start to check out. Alright, now this is the information about the dance. It's on September 21st. It goes from 8 to 11, but doors close at 10. It's in the upper gym this year, and you're going to enter through door 6. You need to bring your ID. You can only wear tennis shoes, and tickets go on sale September 16th. For Powder Puff, it's on the 16th. It starts at 6 and it goes until dark. And it's at the lower grass fields, and sign-ups are on all lunches from September 9th through 13th. Tacos and Tunes is on the same day, the 16th, 6:30 to 8:30, and it's in the north parking lot, and feel free to go to Tacos and Tunes after you participate in Powder Puff. The volleyball food drive is on Wednesday, September 18th. It starts at 7, and the game is the boys football versus girls volleyball. It's in the activity center, and all you need to bring is canned food or non-perishable items, and that's all you need to get in. The spirit days this week are Monday is Pajama Day, Tuesday is Jersey Day, Denim Day is on Wednesday, USA Day is on Thursday, and Friday is Edina Day. So just to go back over it, Monday is Pajama Day, Tacos and Tunes, Powder Puff, and that's when dance tickets open. Tuesday is Jersey Day, Wednesday is Denim Day, and it's the volleyball game. Thursday is USA Day, that's also Coronation. Friday is Edina Day, the Pep Fest and the parade. And so that's all you need to know for homecoming week.